Ever stared at a spreadsheet packed with locations and thought, this should be a map? With MAPOG, you can upload your Excel or CSV file and instantly turn it into an interactive map. No coding, just click, see, and share. Start by creating a new map in story.mapog.com, for example, community libraries. Go to the Add Story section, then choose Add by uploading CSV/Excel. This is where you import your library data spreadsheet. Click on the Select Point Type icon. Choose an existing location type or create a new one like a library. Add a suitable title, icon, and feature type, usually point for individual locations. Then, define attributes, which are data fields like address in text format, ward number in number format, and so on. Lastly, save it. Go to the drop-down menu and select the attribute type you recently created. Browse your device and select the already prepared Excel or CSV file. Click Upload. Your data is now inside MAPOG. Then click the auto-generated ID to let MAPOG uniquely track each row and match each attribute to the correct column in your spreadsheet. For location placement, select the field as latitude and longitude. This step ensures your map displays the right information. Then submit. Once you upload everything, you'll see all your points on the map. Click on any point to view the details you attached. And that's it, your map is ready. From spreadsheet to spatial insight, all without writing a single line of code. Perfect for mapping delivery routes, planning retail expansion, monitoring infrastructure, tracking crop health, or visualizing healthcare access. Whatever your field is, your spreadsheet transforms into a live, interactive map that speaks volumes. Want to give MAPOG a try? Head over to story.mapog.com and start mapping your data in minutes. If you ever need help, whether it's uploading spreadsheets, customizing your map, or getting GIS advice, just drop us a message at support@mapog.com. We're here to help.